Now, in chapter 11, everything is yours. You're working on that project. But to give you a hand, let's look at the period of a simple pendulum. So uppercase T is time. The time you come back to where you started from. So we have L and we have little g and we're going to have the square root. So here's the period of a simple pendulum. Let's go ahead and solve this for little g. It's your choice. You could square both sides right now, or you can move the 2 pi over. Let's go ahead and move the 2 pi over. And then we're going to square both sides. Now remember, a square root is actually 1/2 power. So 1/2 times 2 is 1, so your square root goes away. And I would like to go ahead and just distribute my square. Boy, that looks so familiar to something else. Oh, that would have been Kepler's third law. Okay, I'm going to multiply both sides by little g. So I'm going to get little g, t squared, 4 pi squared equals L. Now, I can just multiply by the reciprocal. I can multiply by 4 pi squared over t squared, and everything's going to go to 1 on the left, and just little g will be left, and everything will end up on the right hand side. So we'll get little g, L, well, let me take that back, well, little g, 4 pi squared, and t squared. Okay, now next, let's take this, and we are going to solve it for L this time. This time I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to square both sides now. And I'll show that step. I need to distribute that square on the right hand side. So 4 pi, L, and you know that really is over the little g, and it makes life easier. So I'm just going to drop my square there. I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides by little g and divide by 4 pi. And we were just here a second ago, and we could have stopped, I suppose. Where are we? 4 pi, oh, there should be a square there, and we have L. So I hope that helps with your work.